Kia ora koutou e te whānau. On behalf of the Trustees of Te Kahui o Taranaki, it's an honour to present to you the annual report for the year ending 30 June 2022. It's been a few short years since we finalised the strategic plan, which embodies your whenu that you set down for us. And what this report does is it presents to you how we're achieving those strategic objectives, but also illustrates it for you. So please hope you enjoy. We also look forward to seeing you at our HUI-A-TAU on the 15th of October at Parihaka, Te Niho o Te Atiawa at 10 a.m.
Kohea, tera maunga e tu maira. Ko Taranaki pia, ko Taranaki